Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft eternal exception java.net socket exception connection reset. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to first close your launcher. Once you close it, you're going to go to the bottom left for your search. You're going to search for view network connection and then go to click on it. Once you click on view network connections, you're going to click on the network that you're currently using. Right click on it and then go to properties. Once you go to properties, you're going to search for the one that says IPv4 connection right here. And then from here, you're going to click on properties again. Once you reach the properties, you can see right here, it usually is obtain DNS server address automatically. But for you, you're going to click on use the following DNS address. And then you're going to click on 4488 and then 8844. Once you have the code like that, 8888-8844, click on validate settings upon exit, click OK, then click on close, and then close this network and let it finish the diagnostics. Once it gets done with the diagnostics, then you're going to bring up those three codes and then we're going to apply them. So let it get it done. Once it gets done, then you're going to search for CMD, command prompt, and then you're going to right click and then run as administrator. Once you click on run as administrator, this should be done. And then you're going to just copy each file. So you're going to copy like that and paste, let it run. Copy the second command, let it paste, let it run. And then copy the third command and then paste and then run it. And once that is done, you should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.